1. Woo! Yeah!
I'm Jessica,
I'm Job.
and our trailer is the Hangry Spartan.
It was more of a tired of having a boss kind of thing. let's do this together. We need to be our own bosses. So that was pretty much both of our dreams, just being our own bosses.
Well, so we were doing a lot of research as to what we should make, what we should offer, and the best suggestion was take something that people already know and make it with a twist, like make it your own. So everyone knows what a grilled cheese or a hot dog is. So now we're just taking it and adding our spin to it by putting different kinds of toppings and getting like the really big, juicy hot dogs, not just like, you know, the gas station ones, but like the really big, meaty ones, all beef, where you can have like just smothered in toppings. And
Yeah, we had gone around to probably about 4 or 5 different food truck places, and it was a decision between 2. You guys and someone else, and we just liked your all's, you know, just your customer service, the way the trailer was built, just the quality of everything was really nice. Tony, you know, as soon as we walked in, Tony helped us out, took us downstairs, you know, and showed us all the trailers that you guys do, the different sizes, and just how you guys do everything, and it was bar none. You guys did great.